Welcome to today's video. We're diving into 50+ legumes vegetable names in English. Get ready to expand your knowledge on these healthy and delicious plants. Chickpeas. Chickpeas. Lentils. Lentils. Black beans. Black beans. Green beans. Green beans. Green peas. Green peas. Snow peas. Snow peas. Sugar snap peas. Sugar snap peas. Kidney beans. Kidney beans. Pinto beans. Pinto beans. Navy beans. Navy beans. Soybeans. Soybeans. Broad beans. Broad beans. Mung beans. Mung beans. Adzuki beans. Adzuki beans. Lima beans. Lima beans. Butter beans. Butter beans. Black-eyed peas. Black-eyed peas. Cannellini beans. Cannellini beans. Split peas. Split peas. Edamame. Edamame. Pigeon peas. Pigeon peas. Runner beans. Runner beans. Borlotti beans. Borlotti beans. Haricot beans. Haricot beans. Scarlet runner beans. Scarlet runner beans. Yard-long beans. Yard-long beans. Hyacinth beans. Hyacinth beans. Winged beans. Winged beans. Bambara beans. Bambara beans. Marrowfat peas. Marrowfat peas. Cranberry beans. Cranberry beans. French beans. French beans. Navy beans. Navy beans. Great Northern beans. Great Northern beans. Cowpeas. Cowpeas. butter peas, butter peas. Anasazi beans, Anasazi beans. Field peas, field peas. Flageolet beans, flageolet beans. Roman beans, Roman beans. Tepary beans, tepary beans. Horse gram, horse gram. Red gram, red gram. Masoordal, masoordal. Urad dal, urad dal. Mung dal, mung dal. Chana dal, chana dal. Pui lentils, pui lentils. Yellow lentils, yellow lentils. Beluga lentils, beluga lentils. Green gram, green gram. Black lentils, black lentils. Scarlet runner beans, scarlet runner beans. Soybeans, soybeans. Pink beans, pink beans. Navy peas, navy peas. Tarwi beans, tarwi beans. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about 50+ legumes vegetable names in English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more fun and educational content. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite legume. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.